Today I'm going to show you some easy and affordable ways to make your living room cozier and more romantic. Whether you are looking to impress a date or just create a more inviting space for yourself, these tips will help you achieve the perfect ambience. In other words, we'll explore creative and affordable ways to make your living room cozier and more romantic, from cozy lighting ideas to soft, inviting textures. We'll cover everything you need to create a warm and intimate atmosphere for you and your loved one to enjoy. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu, and I'm so excited to share with you my tips and tricks for creating a cozier and more romantic atmosphere in your own living room. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. Without further ado, let's get into it. Nothing says cozy and romantic like a fireplace. A fireplace can create a focal point, a source of warmth, and a cozy ambience for your living room. You can enjoy the crackling sound, the flickering light, and the cozy smell of a fireplace with your partner or your guest. You can also use an electric fireplace, a biotinal fireplace, or a fire pit to create a similar effect. The most important thing to make your living room cozier and more romantic is to be yourself. Your living room should reflect your personality, your style, and your preferences. It should also make you feel comfortable, happy, and relaxed. After all, it is your space, your home, and your sanctuary. Just have a look at this bright and warm design idea. Add depth and coziness to your living room by layering various textures. Textures can add visual interest, contrast, and comfort to the space. You can use different materials such as wood, metal, leather, fur, velvet, or wool to create a cozy and luxurious feel. The more textures you use, the more cozy and romantic your living room will look and feel. Furniture arrangement not only plays a big role in the visual appearance, but it can also become key to infusing some warmth and coziness into your living room. Thoughtful placement of furniture such as sofas, chairs, or tables can create an inviting flow, encourage meaningful interaction, and make the space feel more intimate and cozy. The right lighting can instantly create a cozy ambience. Soft lighting, such as candles, fairy lights, lamps, or dimmers, can create a warm and romantic glow that enhances the mood and the atmosphere. You can also use lighting to highlight certain features or areas of your living room, such as sofa, coffee table, or another piece of furniture or room corner. Complete your space with the right accessories that can add warmth and coziness to your living room. You can use accessories to add pops of color, textures, or pattern to your living room. You can also use accessories to express your style, your hobbies, or your memories. Here in this image, you can see another perfect example of how soft lighting combined with layered textures creates a fabulous living room with a cozy and romantic atmosphere. And don't forget to add some music and to use aromatherapy. Aromatherapy can stimulate your senses, relax your mind, and improve your mood. Aromatherapy can also create a cozy and romantic atmosphere for your living room. You can use different methods such as candles, diffusers, sprays, or potpourri to diffuse your aromatherapy. Similarly, music can set the tone, the mood, and the atmosphere for your living room. Music can also enhance your emotion, your memories, and your connection with your partner or your guest. that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some tips and ideas on how to make your living room cozier and more romantic. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my living room makeover. I would love to hear from you and see your pictures and your own cozy and romantic living rooms. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!